Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. Today I bring you the story of a brilliant young man who is mentally challenged. Nelson, according to videos on Facebook, was a second-year student at Korle-Bu Public Health Nursing School. Unfortunately, he had to defer the course due to his ill health. His parents died during the COVID-19 lockdown period, and so Nelson is roaming the streets of Amasaman because there is no one to take care of him or control his movements. Comedian Ajezi the Nomfaken is appealing for funds to get help for Nelson, who wants to go back to school badly. Here is a short clip of Nelson in his current state.
And God Almighty and Kwame Sylvia support Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the president of this country this year 2018, in his free education campaign for the children of Ghana, from primary 1 to primary 2 to primary 3 to primary 4 to primary 5 to primary 6 in Akroman Anglican Basic School St. Paul. In the children's learning of mathematics, science and English language, religious and moral education and pre-technical skills. In mathematics, the children are to learn from the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the arithmetic combinations and operations like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 1, 1 times 0 is equal to 0. In science, the children are to know that good energy from natural milk is good for a healthy life. And in religious and moral education, the children are to know that in the beginning God created heaven and earth, and on Friday we should worship and serve God. With all this, and much say, I say that God bless you 246 the second, who is the king of Ashanti Kingdom in Ashanti region Kumasi, who is our major supporter. NPP Development in Freedom. Nanado says we are moving forward. Development in freedom and the battles of the Lord. Kennedy Japan says all die be die. But Lami says God is with us. NPP Development in Freedom. Now Lamiki, yeah. Oh, Andrews. Maybe a chimney. A chimney. Two cool a couple. Oh, yeah, I stay at Akraman. I'm the primary 1 school teacher of science.
Oh, okay. So you still take them on their on vacation?
Yeah. Or anyway, we will learn the science just near the school.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Especially how to move the body, parts of the body.
Oh, okay. I was told you
like the hand.
I was told. Okay. I was told you went to Legon.
Oh, yeah, but I didn't keep long there. It's the hospital I went most. Korle-Bu Hospital.
Oh, wait. You were in school?
Polyclinic.
Yeah, you were in school in Legon. You schooled in Legon.
Not for long, just like 1 month. But I went to the hospital especially. Yeah.
You went to Korle-Bu too.
Yeah.
As in, you did some course in Korle-Bu.
Health science.
Health science. Which level?
In anatomy.
Anatomy. Oh wow. Anatomy.
That's human body.
I know anatomy. So, which level were you? 400, 300, 10?
Oh yes, I want to be in the second year. Now I know much, so I want to be in the second year.
So, but when you were in Korle-Bu, health science, anatomy.
Second year. I'm still in the second year.
You are in second year. Oh, okay.
So if go now, I'll go and continue.
Go
to
continue.
The third and fourth year. Then, if I qualify with that, I'll go and do the medical. I'll go and do the medicine, the medical school.
But 6 years. But I know after, like when you enter Legon and you do biological sciences.
Yeah.
After you enter to the Korle-Bu medical school. So you did something in Legon?
Yes.
What did you do in Legon?
That led me to the health science.
What
we did botany.
What
about the plants?
Oh, okay, you did botany.
Wow.
Like